Attention, Honda Civic owners. This is a serious warning you cannot afford to ignore. If you drive a 2016 through 2020 Honda Civic, regardless of trim or body style, there's a hidden electrical danger lurking in your dashboard that could cost you big time. This isn't a recall and it's not a technical service bulletin, but ignoring this could leave you with a dead dashboard and a repair bill in the hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Here's the critical detail. On the back of your Civic's audio or navigation unit, there's a 12-pin connector cavity. It looks harmless. It's empty, but it's a trap for the unwary. In North America, Honda left this connector unused on purpose. It's a service port for other markets, not for us, but if you mess with it, you're asking for trouble. Here's the bottom line. If anyone, whether it's you, a DIY enthusiast, or even a dealership tech, plugs anything into that port, you risk frying your Civic's gauge control module. That's not an exaggeration. One wrong move, and your dashboard could go completely dark. Let's be clear about where this danger is hiding. The 12-pin port is directly behind your Civic's audio or navigation unit in the center of the dashboard. To reach it, you have to remove the trim panels and unscrew the unit. Once you pull it out, you'll see the empty rectangular socket. It's unmarked and it's not meant for you. If you're not a trained tech, do not touch it. These connectors are delicate and plugging in anything, even something that seems harmless, can destroy your car's electronics. Why does this port exist? In other countries, Honda uses it for diagnostics, firmware updates, or special accessories, but in North America, it's not used. It might look like a secret upgrade slot, but it's a disaster waiting to happen if you try to use it. Plugging in unauthorized devices can cause catastrophic electrical failures. Here's what can go wrong. Your shift indicator could go dark, your switch backlights might stop working, and you could be left with a dead dashboard and a repair bill for a brand new gauge control module, often $900 or more. All because of one careless plug-in. Some websites call this a service bulletin, but, officially, it's just a service news article. Honda's message to dealers is crystal clear. Do not touch that port. There's no recall, no fix, just a huge, bold warning. Ignore it at your own risk. Don't just take my word for it. Civic owners and experts are sounding the alarm online. One forum user said, "My dealership warned me, don't touch that empty port." Another shared, "A friend plugged something in and ended up with a dead dash and a $900 repair bill." Even experienced techs say, "We've seen Civics come in with bizarre electrical issues and it always traces back to that connector." The horror stories are real. One Reddit user thought it was a secret upgrade slot and plugged in a Bluetooth dongle. His dashboard went completely dark. Another joked, "I plugged in my phone charger and my Civic started speaking Morse code with the warning lights. I think it was saying, 'Help me.'" These are not just jokes. They're expensive mistakes. Even dealership techs have been burned. One ignored the warning and had to explain to his manager why a customer's car suddenly thought it was in reverse, while parked. The customer just wanted better speakers but ended up with a malfunctioning dashboard. Across Reddit, CivicX forums and YouTube, the message is unanimous. Do not plug anything into that 12-pin socket. No one has found a safe workaround. The risk is real and the consequences are expensive. No clever hacks, no safe tricks, just stay away from that port. Protect your Civic, your wallet, and your sanity. If this warning saved you from a disaster, hit like, subscribe for more crucial car tips, and share your Civic stories in the comments. Don't let anyone you know make this costly mistake. Spread the word. Now, if you want to safely add accessories to your US Honda Civic, there are smart alternatives that won't put your electronics at risk. For devices like dash cams, phone chargers, or Bluetooth adapters, always use the dedicated accessory power outlets, sometimes called the cigarette lighter socket, or the built-in USB ports. These are designed to handle extra devices and are completely safe for everyday use. If you need to connect something more advanced, like a diagnostic tool or certain trackers, use the OBD2 port located under the dashboard. Never attempt to use the hidden 12-pin connector for any accessory or upgrade. And before making any electrical modifications, always consult your owner's manual or talk to a professional installer. They'll help you find the safest way to upgrade your Civic without risking expensive damage. Stay safe and keep your Civic running strong.